This is going to be your first look at the Microproto Systems home switches for the TAIG CNC mill and the CNC lathe. Here we have the XY unit, all enclosed. Have beautiful roller micro switches, and these are really good switches. They have 10 million cycles, mechanical cycles. Really good stuff. This is the prototype. Notice the beautiful cable, all sealed up. Now the cable goes from the back of the XY and goes up to the Z, plugs into the Z, which is very nice. Notice the same beautiful roller. And then it comes out of there, and then that plugs into your control. The whole thing is just a beautiful setup. We happen to have a ball screw here, but this is really nice stuff. And you can move the slider wherever you want, and you could set up home wherever you want. These things are going to be ready, I'm going to say, the middle of June, and they're going to run about $50 an axis, 150 bucks, give or take. And you could start getting on a list by go ahead and just email at the address right on the screen here, and that'll get you set up for these. But boy, what a beautiful setup. The first prototypes.